So, if you're like me, you like to watch a video on how to replace stuff, and I could not find a video on how to do this, so I guess I'm gonna make one. I've never really done nothing like this before, but we're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. So to get this off, there's 2 pins in the front, which I got those 2 out. And I did not know there was a pin in the back. It's connected back to the back of the fan motor right here. But the first 2 pop out. I just stuck a flathead in there and they popped out. And once that's out, you got 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and 1 screw here. And then for your rectifier, if you're also changing that, you have 1 screw here. As you can tell, somebody's already been in here because this is broken off. And this is also broken off, the wire hanger. But I think on the OEM one, the plug is just right here. And you pinch these 2 connectors. If the camera will focus. You pinch these 2 connectors and this comes out. And then there's a push connector on the bottom back here. And you pinch that in and pull it out. So I didn't video it because I was kind of having a hard time getting this out. But so once the screw comes out of up there and you get the connector out, you have to pinch this and this at the same time. And it was kind of a bitch, so I ended up just bending this part like as far as I could bend it with a flathead screwdriver. And then I was trying to bend this and pry up on this at the same time, and then I ended up just putting my pliers on the end of this and pulling it out really hard. But I got it all bolted in, everything all plugged in together, and now it blows on all the settings, where before it wouldn't blow when my vehicle was stopped. It would only blow once I started driving. But now we're all good, and hopefully this helped you guys.